ionos Hosting Review 2024. Is it right for you? Best for site speed and uptime. Powering 12 million sites. Starting from $4. Overall rating. ionos is the best hosting provider for site speed and uptime. Its hosting packages come with daily site backups, anti-spam protection, and lots of other useful features. Some of its offerings are stronger than others, though. Read on to find out if it's the right provider for your needs. Beyond its standout performance, ionos is also a strong option for dedicated and VPS hosting. In total, ionos offers 4 different types of website hosting. 1. Shared. 2. VPS. 3. Dedicated. 4. WordPress. To rank and compare ionos fairly, our in-house research team tested the top hosting providers to pull together an accurate list of recommendations. We analyzed price, performance, features, help and support, and market analysis. Of the 13 hosting providers we tested, ionos came 7th, scoring 4 out of 5 overall, despite sitting in the middle of the pack. We recommend this hosting provider for small white-collar businesses, largely because of its all-around packages, extremely cheap pricing, and focus on speed and reliability. But, is ionos the right fit for you? Let's dig a little deeper to find out if ionos' strengths outweigh its weaknesses. Best for site speed and uptime. 4 out of 5. Pricing. 4.7 out of 5 stars. Performance. 3.2 out of 5 stars. Features. 4.5 out of 5 stars. Help and support. 1 out of 5 stars. Market analysis. 3 out of 5 stars. Overall rating. 4 out of 5 stars. Visit ionos. Read full review. What are the pros and cons of 1 and 1 ionos? ionos pros. 1. Reliable site speed and uptime. 2. One of the cheapest hosting providers on the market. 3. Every customer receives a dedicated support assistant. ionos cons. Further information. 1. Best web hosting providers. Are you after the best of the best? Check out our review where we compare the top providers on the market. 2. ionos also has a website builder. Check out our ionos website builder review here. Pricing plans. Money makes the world go round. It also makes your head go round and round when you're trying to compare all of the different prices for hosting plans, setup fees, and email add-ons. ionos is one of the cheapest builders out there, and we found it to be the best value for money, scoring 4.8 out of 5 overall. It performed consistently well across all hosting types, and even came top of the table for price in our VPS hosting research with a score of 3.9 out of 5. ionos definitely has some prices to turn your head, in a good way. Pricing plans. Here's a breakdown of the different hosting price plans offered by ionos. Most of the plans have long-term promotions running, and offer cheaper prices if you commit for a lengthy period of time. However, we'll be focusing on the pricing for 12-month subscriptions in this article, unless otherwise stated. Shared hosting. 1. Essential, $4 per month. 2. Business, $1 per month. 3. Expert, $8 per month. VPS hosting. 1. VPSS, $2 per month, 1 month. 2. VPSM, $4 per month, for first 6 months, then $7 per month. 3. VPS, then $15 per month. 4. VPS XL, $2 per month, for first 6 months, then $25 per month. 5. VPS XXL, 8. Dedicated hosting. SSD plans. 1. A8i SSD, $45 per month, for first 6 months, then $65 per month. 2. L16 SSD, $70 per month, for $110 per month, for first 3 months, then $130 per month. 4. XL64 SSD, $140 per month, for first 3 HDD plans. 1. L4i HDD, $47 per month, 1 month. 2. L16 HDD, $60 per month, for first 3 months, then $80 per month. $90 per month, for first 3 months, then $110 per month. 4. XL64 HDD, $120 per month, for first 3 months. WordPress hosting. 1. Start, $2 per month. 2. Grow, $1 per month. 3. Boost, $6 per month. Looking for a cheap hosting provider? Starting from just $1 per month, ionos is great value for money. Check out its hosting packages and find the right one for you.